Alright, babies. Today we're going to be learning about ellipse room application problems. Mikey! Do you have a watch? Do you have a phone?
No, I can't afford one.
Mike, do you know what time it is?
Not 35.
Hey, Mrs. Griggs, I know you've been waiting for our project. We're going to be teaching you in the class about elliptical room application problems. My name's Kyle Massey.
And
We got Caleb written out on the camera behind us right there. Now, our group's going to be doing something special, so stick around to the end for our wrap, alright, Miss Griggs? I know you'll be impressed. Hello again, I'm Kyle Massey. I'll be teaching part 1 of ellipse room applications to y'all. So, before we begin, we're going to review basically what a normal ellipse is. If you don't remember, there's two types of ellipses, a vertical and horizontal one. Horizontal looks like a sideways oval, and vertical looks like a, long top heavy oval. And so, this is horizontal, and this is vertical. There's two equations for each of them, but they mimic each other a lot. So for room applications, we're going to be using the horizontal one most of the time, so we're just going to give you that one. The equation goes like, so it looks like this. We have x minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared equal to 1.
hello, my name is Michael Sandoval, and the next minute you will be spending time with me taking important notes. Okay, for the ellipse room applications, you gotta focus on major axes, and there is 2 of them. The major axis is equal to 2a. The minor axis is equal to 2b. Okay. You also gotta know that C is equal from the center to the focus. The focus is right there.
Excuse me, Mr. Sandoval? You
Yes.
said there's 2 focuses?
Yes sir, yes sir. There's one right here, and let me draw one right now. There's also one right over here. They are equidistant.
Elliptical room problem. Alright, so the problem is we have a hall that is 100 feet in length to be designed as a whispering gallery. If the foci are located 25 feet from the center, how high will the ceiling be at the center? So we drew out our ellipse, and this is what it looks like. Here's our A, 50, which we found from taking 2A equals 100, dividing it by 2, and A equals 50. So we inserted them there, and we also know C, which is the distance from the center to the foci point, which is 25. So to find B, or the height of the ceiling, we use the equation C squared equals A squared minus B squared. Now we just plug and solve. C, or 25 squared, equals 50 squared minus B squared. Or in other words, 625 equals 2,500 minus B squared. Subtract 2,500, and you get negative 1,875 equals negative b squared. You can take away both the negatives because they're the same on each side, and find the square root of both, and you end up with b equals 43.3 feet, or the height of your ellipse.
Maybe heaven right now is a devil or angel away.
K-Mass.
OG Red.
A nice bird.
Hit it. About to rap about ellipses. Some say it hard, but ain't no astrophysics. The boys just taught it to you in just a couple minutes. At least the section easier than those dumb logarithmics.
Iceberg is the name. Pre-cal is my game. This one goes out to you, Griggs. Here we go. X minus h squared over a squared plus y minus k squared over b squared. On the contrary, c squared equals a squared minus b squared. We teaching y'all room applications, not hard. Just take some dedication. We the boys rapping these lessons. Remember the equation and quit stressing. Griggs taught us all right, but K Mass and the crew teaching top flight.
Caleb, what is that? Are you eating?
Nope.
Caleb, what is that?
Not eating, Miss Griggs. No.
Oh my god. Do you know why I tell you guys not to eat? This is not a joke, Caleb. Kids have allergies here, peanut allergies. And you know what Chick-fil-A's cooked in? Peanut oil. So if some kid gets a whiff of that, their throat's gonna tighten up and they're gonna die. Just think about that, Caleb, next time you decide to eat here. Throw it away. Give it to me. God.
What's up, Griggs? How's it going? This is your favorite student, Kyle.
Mike.
Really?
Pre-calc may have been hard this year, Miss Griggs, but you made it fun. You and your random moves and your random words. But that's why we love you, Miss Griggs.
We love you, Griggs.
Love you, Griggs.
We'll miss you next year. Teach us stats. Move to 7th period, alright, Miss Griggs?
7th
Peace
period.
out.